Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to free up space on iCloud storage. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you're facing the issue that your iCloud storage is full and now you want to free up space. So let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your settings app and then tap on your Apple ID or your name. And here you have to select iCloud and you will see your iCloud interface. Here you will see your storage, how much you have or how much it has been used. Or after that, you just have to select this see all option and you'll get all of the apps which have their backup or which are using your iCloud, or you just have to manage storage. So let's say I'm going to select my photos app because it's probably used most of your iCloud storage. So let's say I'm going to select iCloud photos here, and here you if you want to clear storage you must have to delete something from your backup or from your iCloud, or you can also try to upgrade your plan to get more storage. Here you can see there's different plans. Here maximum up to 12 TB storage you can buy using your iCloud with your family pack. Or if you don't want to buy any storage and you want to free up storage, so you just have to simply go to save to iCloud and then select from which you want to clear backup. Let's say I'm going to select iCloud photos here. Just scroll down and look for the option of manage storage. And here you must have to wait for this loading and then scroll down. And you can get a review or a preview for your photos and videos saved to your iCloud. Or if you want to turn it off or delete, just select this turn off and delete option and then select it again, and it will completely delete your iCloud photos backup, and after that your storage will be freed. So using this method you can easily free up your storage from different apps or different websites. Here you can see there's the passwords. So here you can see the sync is enabled, so you can try to disable this if you want to. So in this way you can easily free up space on your iCloud storage. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.